wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, you see the title. Did y'all know about this? SheGlam? I was late to the party, but you know what's funny? You know how it's funny how life and the internet works, because as soon as I found out that this existed, all of a sudden my FBI agent wants to clock in. Now I see it like everywhere. I saw it on Hot Fire Makeup. They were announcing that they had a collection that came out this month. Then I was on TikTok and I saw like people using the makeup. I saw this girl, she was using the foundation, I think a concealer. Like, they have like complexion products as well. I was like, well, wait a minute. Where have I been? Why didn't I know about this? Why don't I see people talking about it on YouTube? But here we are now, and because this video is in partnership with SheGlam, I will be testing out different SheGlam makeup products and giving you guys my thoughts. So if you guys want to know what I think, then let's go. The first thing I have here is a primer. This is the Birthday Skin Primer. I'm just gonna use that all over the face and then blend that out. A little goes a long way with this. Next thing I have here is the INSTA-READY Face and Under Eye Setting Powder Duo. So there is a loose powder down here. Oh, it's in the shade Universal, translucent. There's a loose powder down here, and then there is a pressed powder up here. I'm gonna use some of the pressed powder to like really finely set my concealer before baking. Now, one of the stars of the show, these are their new Color Bloom liquid blushes. I feel like liquid blush is like a new it thing type product. Like, I'm seeing more brands release them. I'm seeing more people talk about them. There are 8 of them. They retail $5 each. Let me go ahead and show you guys what they look like. So these are the 8 shades swatched, and they run top to bottom. First one is Love Cake, and then there is Rose Ritual, Swipe Right, y'all can see them right, Swipe Right, Float On, Devoted, Risky Business, and Hush Hush, and the last one is Birthday Suit. So I think I'm going to use Birthday Suit, this last one, and what's the third one? Swipe Right, and this shade and this shade I'm gonna use on my face today. So I like when they're built like this, you know, they got the little built-in sponge and whatnot, because it makes it easier to just apply it directly onto your face, wherever you want to put it. She's giving pigmented, okay. I mean, because it's pigmented like this, you can build it however you want to. Y'all know I like to stick to the more, you know, it's there, but I want you to realize it's there type thing. So then the other shade, little on the nose. They also released a blush brush. Make sure I say that correctly. Okay, she's blending out easy. Okay, I feel like pigmented enough that you know it's there, but still like lightweight enough that it's giving flushed. You know, I'm blushing from within and not like I put blush product on my face. Okay, so really quickly, there is this double mascara. One is for volumizing, one is for lengthening. I use it on my bottom lashes. she's cute. You know, I feel like she lets it show that I've got lashes there, because without mascara, it'd be giving real naked mole rat. They also have this lash glue, and I actually like this. I put it on my actual eyelid and the lash. The lashes are also from SheGlam. They're cute baby lashes. You know, I like a little bit more off, but you know, for those days when you want to go natural, cute lashes. But I put it on both. When I tell you it was so easy to apply, it was almost like a magnet, like it just magnetized onto your eye. And the last thing is this double-sided eyeliner. It's the Do It All 2-in-1 eyeliner. So one side is the actual liner, and then the other side is supposed to be like a side that can erase it. So put the liner on, and then on the other side it's supposed to be easier for you to remove the product. And then, you know, you would just wipe it away. Y'all, this is the other star of the show. They have a little freckle pen dot thingy, and I don't put fake freckles on, but I do put beauty marks on. I have a beauty mark. It gets covered up with makeup, so you know, I'll like draw it back on. And it's been a minute since I've done that, but when I saw this, I was like, ooh, I like that. So I'm gonna go ahead, give myself a few little, like the tip of it makes it easy to do. It's like real nice and precise, and it's pigmented enough to where it doesn't look like you took a Sharpie to your face, but you know, it looks like you've got little beauty marks on, so. And yeah, y'all, that is it for my face, and those are my stars of the show. Like everything else that I tried, okay, cute. The powder, I don't know if it comes in other shades, but that translucent powder is white, like straight up white. But my stars of the show, first, this lash glue. I liked this. Like I said, it made it real easy for the lash to come on. You know, when I tried tugging, I'm not gonna tug too hard because it's just a strip lash. You know, it was given, there's some restraint there, so I like that. This little freckle pen, I really like that. And of course the blushes, like I said, I feel like blush is a real, like, not trendy because like blush has always been around, but like liquid blushes, I feel I've seen people talking about them a lot. Like I said, they were giving pigmented, buildable, blendable. I like how, you know, it gave like a little brighten, you know, like I said, kind of flush from within, because for someone like me, I don't wear highlighter. So I feel like, you know, it brings a little something back to the face, which is right. And it's affordable. And yeah, those three top stars. I also like the brush that came with it. It made it easier to blend it out. But that's pretty much it for me testing out what I received. Let me know if you knew that this existed. Let me know if there's anything else from them you'd like to see, because I did mention I saw the girl on TikTok using the foundation. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you to SheGlam for letting me test this out and giving my thoughts on the products that I tried out. Yeah, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Oh, this is what they look like a little more dried down. Some of it's still wet because, you know, like their swatches. Oh, come on, come on. But it's like a gel creamy type consistency once it dried down.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.